guys, Liz FPV here. So sorry I haven't been able to make some videos recently. I have made an addition to my family, so getting all settled in with that and stuff. I've been wanting to get this video out for a while, haven't had the chance to because baby stuff. And so I got these Lumineer double Axii antennas right here. You can see them a little bit. I'm gonna put that up a little bit. And so I want to do a little bit of a range test, see what these things can do. I probably won't be talking during this one because I just want to get straight up the footage, see where it's going to break up, if at all. The last flight you guys saw me at flying the Gecko on the 200 milliwatt Whoop VTX was I flew about 540 feet or so. And so this place right here is about 500,000 square feet across. So this isn't only a test on the axies either, I want to say that. I just recently, which is awesome, got a Protek 25. So that's pretty awesome as well. And it's using the Lollipop 3. And so I use the Lollipop on every single one of my analog quads. And so I want to make sure that I want to continue using the Lollipop. So I want to see if the Lollipop will make a difference versus what I've been kind of pumping for Sharkbyte a little bit is the TrueRC Singularity antenna. So yeah, let's see what kind of range I can get out of both of these. Like I said, 500,000 square feet. I'm going to try to hit every single corner of this place, see where it breaks up, if at all. If it does break up, I might throw a little freestyle in there for fun, because that's what I do. But yeah, enjoy.
Square. You lame, that's a shame, and because we don't play no awesome.
Alright guys, so that was the Gecko with the TrueRC Singularity, and excuse me, I will say that the TrueRC Singularity, the antenna isn't on there the most. I'll show you. I shouldn't have had the most vision everywhere because it's kind of being blocked by a couple things, but I did 500,000 square feet and it did perfectly fine. Yeah, I was able to cover every square inch of this place, which is awesome. So let's see what the Protek does. Might get a little cinematic footage, might not, just depends. But let's see what this Protek and Foxeer Lollipop 3 does. Protek. I can do the same thing. Kinda, I almost brought it back and changed the camera angle because I didn't realize how low it was, how slow I'd be flying compared to the Gecko. But I should have a pretty good comparison. Protek was running the Foxeer Lollipop V3. They're both on the Whoop board, both on 200 milliwatts, and the Gecko was running the TrueRC Singularity. I actually did get a little bit more breakup in certain areas with the Foxeer Lollipop, but I don't think that was that much of a big deal because when I got to the very far side, I actually got less breakup on the Lollipop than I did the TrueRC Singularity. And I think it's going to be build specific at this point. I think I'm just going to put the Singularity on Whoop builds, Whoop type builds that don't really require or have an SMA holder, and then I'm going to continue to use my Lollipop V3 on my bigger builds, so including the Cinewhoop, which isn't necessarily bigger, but yeah. So like I said, there's a pretty good range test, pretty good 500,000 square feet. Got a pretty good footage, I assume, so hoping so. At least I'll see you after this. So thank you. Be getting a little bit more videos out here now I got some time. I can sit down and we're all settled in, and hopefully I'll be getting more to you guys. So if you want to see anything more with these antennas, or the two antennas I have attached to my drone, or the Protek, or my builds in general, make sure you comment down below. Say whatever you want to make my day better. Thank you guys.